Yo, what is up, guys? I am so excited to be making this video right now because it means I'm down here in Puerto Rico and we are working on engineering projects. I could not be more stoked to share my new project with you. It's going to be a hydrofoil personal watercraft that fits in your trunk. This thing is going to take us down the coast to the sandbar and out to all the good snorkel spots. So without further ado, let's get into the build. Inspiration for the project all started back in 2020 in September when me and my wife came out to Puerto Rico to see if it was somewhere we might want to move. And I ended up seeing an e-foil surfing around off the coast, and from that moment on I was really intrigued. I really decided that a personal watercraft or something like that based on a stand-up paddleboard was the vehicle I wanted to make. We picked up and left our home in Phoenix with our two dogs, moved around the world to the west side on Mayoez. Enjoy those beautiful sunsets and pool-like water, lapping waves and beautiful clarity. So now we're in the Caribbean and the weather down here is great and a perfect place to work on an engineering project and find new inspiration. So to get started, I want to show you guys the preliminary model I've been working on. Now, as many of you may understand or not, if you're not quite engineering minded, one of the best ways to design something brand new is to work on a scale model first. And so that's my approach here. I'm going to be taking a scale model that you see here, which is approximately 1/5 scale. This blue thing is representing what would be an inflatable stand-up paddleboard. And then underneath would be some kind of structure. But for now, as a scale model, I'll be using foam and using the board as the main structure. So in the front, you can see I have a surface piercing wing, and that has an adjustable foil mechanism, so I'll be able to do quite a bit of prototype testing. There will be more content of me working through this design and building it coming up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please check the description box for the Patreon to help me get some good parts so I can make this dream into a reality. And also leave your thoughts, questions, comments. Love the interaction and give me something to do while I don't want to work. So anything like that would be fun and much appreciated, and looking forward to talking to you guys. Have a good one.